Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make golden barbecue sauce. We'll start by gathering a few key ingredients that give this sauce its signature color and tangy sweet profile. Then, I'll walk you through the straightforward cooking process, ensuring you achieve a perfectly balanced flavor. Finally, we'll discuss how to store your homemade sauce and some delicious ways to enjoy it. Get ready to elevate your grilling game. To begin, you'll need about 1 cup of yellow mustard as your base, giving that classic golden hue. Next, incorporate 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar for a bright, tangy kick. For sweetness, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar or honey. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce to deepen the savory notes. Finally, a teaspoon each of garlic powder and paprika will round out the flavor beautifully. First, combine all your measured ingredients into a medium saucepan. Place it over medium heat and whisk everything together thoroughly until the sugar fully dissolves. Once combined, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld and the sauce to slightly thicken. Once your delicious golden barbecue sauce has cooled completely, transfer it into an airtight container or jar. You can store this homemade goodness in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks, ensuring it stays fresh. This versatile sauce is perfect for slathering on grilled chicken, pulled pork, or even as a dipping sauce for fries. For an extra kick, try adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to your next batch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.